We are Ham Radio. Hey folks, Freddie Mac, your Ham Radio Crusader, enjoying some more Oklahoma springtime. If it ain't raining, it's scalding hot. But that's springtime in Oklahoma. As you may or may not know, Announcement Manager by November 5 Alpha Delta, James over in Mena, Arkansas, was released, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 months ago. Nonetheless, it's pretty freaking awesome, in my opinion, because I use it to upload WAV files, MP3 files of myself, of other things, and put out announcements over our repeaters or our club repeater or what have you. But I also use the text-to-speech engine in it to make up some standard announcements for holidays, club meetings, whatever. And it's pretty stinking cool, but it just got better. Yeah, James has made some enhancements. It now works with Supermon 8 as well as Supermon 7.4 and AllMon 3. So there's that. So how do we use it? Take a look. Okay, folks, this is how we do it. We are at N5AD's GitHub account, github.com/November 5 Alpha Delta/announcement-manager. It's been updated again. This is really cool. So we're going to come down here into the instructions, and by all means, read them if you wish. I recommend you read them. And Supermon 7.4 or 8.0 now compatible. It's not required to have this and have that installed. You can just do this through AllMon 3 if you want to. But if you don't have Supermon installed, you might want to install this stuff right here. The installer script may do that for you, but if you do this ahead of time, you'll just know. And if you don't have Saytime Weather installed, then you need to create this folder, Etsy Asterisk local, if you don't have it already. But if you do have it, let's switch over to it. And then we're going to come back and grab this command. Actually, we'll just grab this command and I'll remember this one just for the purposes of this video. So I've already SSH'd into the node. I'm going to go change directory, Etsy, Asterisk, local. And I already have that file because I've got some files in there already. And as you can see, I've already got Announcement Manager there. It's an older version, so I'm going to remove it. You don't have to do this if you've never installed it before. But since I did, and then I uninstalled it for the purposes of this video, we're going to start clean. All right, so from here, we're going to go sudo wget and that whole Announcement Manager download, and we're going to bring it in. And from there, we can just grab this next bash command, the sudo bash, paste it in, and hit enter. And it's going to start the install process. It's going to ask you a few questions. Supermon Announcements Manager, full setup. It's going to bring in the GitHub repo, the whole schmear. Yes. Okay, my AllStarLink number for this video is correct this time, 577-886. I had it wrong a while ago, but hey, it is what it is. And we're going to hit enter. All right, just like that, the install is done, and we got a nice little message at the end. It says, I hope you get a lot of use from this. Log into Supermon or AllMon 3, and Announcement Manager should now appear at the bottom. 73, November 5 Alpha Delta. Well, let's see if we can do that. Okay, so we're here at our new Supermon 8. And just a little FYI, the multi-app installer on my GitHub page will now install the latest version of Supermon 7.4 first, and then it installs Supermon 8 as a part of the process. So just be aware of that if you go to use the multi-app installer. And it does work now. I had a little snafu at first with some, or the URL, but nonetheless, it's all working now in case you go to use that. All right, let's log in to our Supermon. And boom, it's all refreshed. And look here, y'all, we got us a brand new user interface right here for Announcement Manager. I'm going to delete this entry for right now because that was from a previous install. I wanted to do a clean install to show you guys everything. So we can come here to the Generate Announcement with Piper TTS and type in something simple like, that's a familiar phrase to me, And we could just give it a name. And when you're giving these file names, you want to use letters, numbers, hyphens, and underscores only. You start throwing in special characters and it won't generate it. For this example, I've chosen Joe. I'm going to hit generate, hit OK. It says it's generating. And it says success generated in the /mp3/droids.wav. You can now select it in the drop-down menu and convert it to a UL. Now, another beautiful thing about that drop-down menu, there's droids, is you can play it locally right here to see what it sounds like.
These are not the droids you are looking for.
And it is a AI-generated text-to-speech kind of a thing, voice, but there it is. And once you've got that there, you're like, hey, I want to install that announcement, and you can just start going through the cron tab entry. So where do you want it to play? Let's try 15 minutes after the hour. It'll play from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m., or you could even change that to 9 p.m. Change that to 6 a.m. if you want to. You got the little guide up here. Hit OK. And then what day of the month? Well, I want it to play every day. And what months do you want it to play? And let's go with every month. And then you can choose the day of the week. If you just want it to play on Tuesdays, you can put in 2 right there for Tuesdays. I'm just going to leave it as asterisk, and that means every week, every day of the week. And then you can give it a name here. I'm going to call this one test. And now I'm only going to play it locally. And what that means is it's only going to play over my node, or if my node has a radio hook to it, it's going to go out over RF. It doesn't go over the network to any stations that are connected to me via AllStarLink. But if I put global here, any station that's connected to me via AllStarLink will also hear this announcement. So there's that. Hit OK. And now, do I want a polite or priority? Now, what that means is polite will wait for a clear channel before playing the file. Priority is no matter what, it'll play over. If somebody is talking, it will play over them. I'm going to leave it at polite. And boom. We got a nice little announcement at the top. Says it was installed successfully. We can hit OK and come down here, and there it is. And the beautiful thing is we can enable and disable these announcements as we want to if we're logged in to our Supermon.
These are not the droids you are looking for.
Anyway, there's another beautiful part right here in the middle. Upload your own MP3 or WAV file. Choose it here. Opens a dialog box to your computer. And let's see what this says. You can upload it. And now it should be in this folder, the after hours. And I think it may have an issue with files with a space in them. So let's choose a different one. Let's choose the catsoven.wav, and we're going to upload it. And that should be on our node. And there's catsoven.wav, locally play it. Isn't that interesting? It's not going to play there. Let's install it just to get it to convert to a UL and see if that works. Local and polite. And now it's installed, and there it is. So now it's in the UL format.
A cat can have kittens in the oven, but that don't make them biscuits. This is the Kitty 5DMU All-Star Node 58176 in Henrietta, Oklahoma.
Obviously, this is a different node number from that recording, but I just wanted to test it out. So sometimes it may not play until you convert it. So we'll report that bug to James and see what happens there. But I can enable and disable it as I want to. And I can even come over here and edit it. And that basically means I can edit when it plays. So there's that. So let's go over to AllMon3 and see what that looks like. And let's get logged in. Hit OK. And there's the announcement manager here. And there's all those files we just created. So you can do the exact same thing from here. How cool is that, y'all? I especially love the upload to MP3. I'm sorry, this section where we can just pull files off of our computer. I have some Duke Nukem stuff on here and some Christmas announcements. Let's put that MP3. Let's try that one and upload it. Says it was successful. King Duke. Let's see if it'll play.
Hail to the king, baby.
It actually played.
Hail to the king, baby.
And it's a little low audio for what I was playing with at the time. So, yeah, pretty cool stuff. Okay, so there are a few things you got to remember because I always forget to read what's right in front of me. So if you want to hide anything from a man, put it right in front of him. Right here in the speech to text or the text to speech window, it says enter the text you want to convert to speech. Commas and periods are acceptable. No other punctuation. I kept putting in apostrophes. So let's do this. If I want to say that's no moon, comma, it's a space station. No apostrophes in those contractions, y'all. You got to remember it. So let's say Obi-Wan Kenobi 2, because I've already made one. And we'll put it in the Ryan Lowe British voice. Generate. Tell it's okay. It's generating here. Take it a second. And now it says it's done. So we'll come down here and we'll look for Obi-Wan Kenobi 2. And then we'll play it locally.
That's no moon. It's a space station.
Yeah, I have a little network lag in my home network, so that sounds a little sketchy, but there it is. And we can make the file. But here's the better part. My opinion. So let's use Voice Memos app. And we'll make a little recording here. I've got a bad feeling about this. And we'll hit done. And we'll see if we can share it to Telegram. Apples are funny. Send it to myself just to get it where I can get it onto my computer. We'll close this out. And it puts it in an M4A format, so I'll have to convert it to an MP3 or a WAV. But I'll give it one name. Save. And then I'll go convert it to an MP3 somewhere. Okay, so we're back in our Supermon here, and we're still logged in. And I've converted that MP3, the M4A file to an MP3. So we're going to upload it into our node. And right there it is, badfeeling.mp3. Upload to MP3. And then we should be able to pull it out of this list. And there it is, Bad Feeling. Let's play it locally. Let me get my phone here. Well, it played, but the audio was really low. So I think I've got my audio turned all the way up. So the format that it converted it to might be the problem. But let's go ahead and install it and get it converted over to a UL and see if it normalizes it in any way. Okay, and right there it is at the bottom, and we'll play it locally.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
So there's my voice. It did normalize it and got the audio levels correct. So that's pretty cool stuff, y'all. Just remember, though, you want to make sure you don't put all that punctuation in there when you're trying to get that text to speech. Or you can just upload your own MP3 or WAV file and play it, upload it, and play it and convert it. So there you have that. So, pretty cool stuff, right? I really like Announcement Manager for AllStarLink. And guess what? Next video, we're going to make it work with HamVoIP. It's a little bit different fundamentally because current HamVoIP has a little bit older OS in it and Asterisk server, but hey, it still works to a useful degree. We'll just say that. That's coming up. I want to say thank you to all my channel members and all my Patreon supporters. Big help. All your contributions help keep this channel moving forward, and I appreciate it to the bottom of my heart. I really, really do. Some big changes coming here and there to the channel. We're going to branch out into some other content. I keep saying APRS. Yeah, that's coming. Life gets in the way. I've got 12 grandkids, and they demand a little bit of Pawpaw's time. But it is what it is. I got a big family, and I love them very much. Keep reaching out. I love to help you any way I can, when I can. Home node is 58176. If you connect up and I can answer, I'll definitely talk to you. I appreciate it. Y'all take care. Enjoy this wonderful spring that we're having. Maybe it'll turn into summer soon. Y'all take care, and we'll catch you on the next one. 73s. This is Freddie Mac, your ham radio crusader, saying 73, wishing all the good signals to be yours, and ham on, y'all.